What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dave, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today we got VonOff1700 S.O.B performance, what NYC sounds like, official video. Y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and get the video to however many likes I want to get to, and turn on post notifications on for when I drop on my channel. And my Patreon link is in the description down below for y'all to check out as well. For videos that don't make the YouTube, but make it on there for y'all to watch. And if y'all ready to get into this, let's get into it.
You gotta be a dumbass fool. You think I'ma lose? I gotta get booked for a murder or something. I gotta get booked for a murder or something. That's the only way you gonna see me on the news. I'm all in this shit. You gotta be a dumbass fool. You think I'm for real? I'm all in this shit. You gotta be a dumbass fool. You think I'ma lose? I gotta get booked for a murder or something. That's the only way you gonna see me on the news. Say it's a check on his head. Pull right up on him. Knock his dumb ass out of shoes. I did a whole lot of dirt out here. You can't slam me. I'm on my P's and Q's. I was young and dumb free. I was out here robbing only for twos and fews. He don't wanna shoot that switch, boy. Give me that bitch. I'ma let her do what it do. She wanna go be a hoe. Let the bitch go. Let the hoe do what she do. When me and Lil 3D slam, I bounce first. That's what we normally do. I heard about that shit you said. I ain't gotta ask. I already know that it's true. If I start a war, nigga, I'm standing front line. Nigga, I ain't nothing like Lou. He don't wanna come out. I just found out what she work. I'm finna go kill his boo. Half the shit you do for some of these niggas, they wouldn't even do it for you. We 4 deep up in the hot.
He said half the things you do for these ninjas, they won't even do for you. That's a fact. That's true though.
I ain't nothing like Lou. He don't wanna come out. I just found out what she work. I'm finna go kill his boo. Half the shit you do for some of these niggas, they wouldn't even do it for you. We 4 deep up in the hot. We ain't in New York, but nigga, we looking for woo. They know that I'm up some beef, but I'm such a threat. They added an extra two. Nigga, when we hit blocks, do we leave witness? No, we killing them too. I seen the shit with my eyes, but we got it on camera. We got an extra view. When talk gang slide, it's only us. It ain't no extra crew. Every time we went down, you can go act. Nigga, I up in blue. I'll be first to shoot. You ain't gotta put me on point, cause I already knew. Bitch, I'm a certified trooper and I lost my dog. That's when I lost my screws. When I lost my dog, I lost my screws. Bitch, I'm a real good team when I lost my dog. That's when I lost my screws. You might as well, you can put me in the cube and give me 100 years, nigga. I ain't letting no nigga kill me out here, nigga. I'm the biggest threat. I gotta do this shit. Nigga, for real. What I done lied about, for real. I don't play fair. Niggas done died about shit I cried about. I just got a load, the ops outside. Nigga, we sliding out. Tryna click with the ops, we coming your way. Nigga, we sliding south. Hit a dumb nigga with a Draco 145. I heard the loudest shout. Niggas be down for shit. Got tripped by a 10 milli shell for chasing some clout. We finna fuck in a rack. Fuck I look like. Bitch, I ain't flying you out. A lot of these niggas won't fuck me, but I ain't know. I had to figure it out. That nigga kept talking that shit. Now I'm on his ass. I'm finna see what he bout. I built this shit from the dirt. I don't need you. I do it with or without. Them niggas on point. We bounced out. Take this slow. Crouch. Bitch, I'm really that. I stand on business. The wild them killers can vouch.
He said he stand on business, all them killers can vouch. Okay. Okay, Von.
Crouch. Bitch, I'm really that. I stand on business. The wild them killers can vouch. Go ask about me, nigga. I stand on shit. I get shit done, nigga. Free the whole TG, nigga. Free my hood. Fuck your hood, nigga.
VonOff1700 S.O.B performance, what NYC sounds like. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section down below. And what y'all rated. I get this a 5 out of 5. VonOff1700 snapped. Shout out to VonOff1700 and what NYC sounds like. And until the next video, I'll see y'all then. And I'm out. Y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe.